so nasty that people are going to be like, that's not even possible.
The old saying is an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, and it's especially true when it comes to condensate drain pan maintenance. One of the most crucial components in all air conditioning units is the condensate pan because it collects the water that drips from the cold coils. The condensate pan is connected to a drain line that carries the condensate water to the main drain or to a release point outside. It's a simple, straightforward process. However, when the condensate pan is not properly maintained, slime and debris can build up, causing foul odors, microbial growth, and water damage, eventually leading to costly repairs, not only to the unit itself, but also to the structures around and beneath it. So how do you prevent these issues? A single 1-ounce AP-33 Expel Plus Tab prevents clogged drain lines, foul odors, corrosion, and water damage. And unlike most tablets that need to be replaced every 30 days, AP-33 Expel Plus Tabs are formulated with a special time-release mechanism that allows each tablet to treat up to 5 tons of AC unit capacity for up to 90 days. More bang for your buck and less work for you. Application is simple. Just place the tablet in the pan and rest assured that the unique size, shape, and weight ensures it stays in place. It does not clog your drain line. Let an ounce of AP-33 Expel Plus Tabs save you a pound of headaches. Contact your Momar representative to order yours today. AP-33 Expel Plus Tabs are packaged for Momar by STLB.